Do you know while using exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, you pay a major portion of your profits as the trading fee for that particular platform, and while you're trading multiple number of times, this cost for you keeps on rising. But there are a few tricks available by which you can actually pay less to these exchanges. So in this particular video, we are going to take a closer look as to 3 ways as to how you can pay the Binance fees less over your trade. So with that being said, let's jump on straight into the video. Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club. Every day on this channel, I show you how you can make money in crypto. If you like money and crypto, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, if you want to discuss anything related to crypto, head over to Telegram, join our family. The link for that is given in the descriptions below as well as on the pinned comments. Also, do not forget to join us on Twitter and Instagram. Links for each one of them is given on the pinned comments. So guys, without further ado, let's jump on straight into this video. Binance charges upwards of 0.2% for your trades that you take on the platform, right? And there are multiple levels as to when and how they charge this particular fees. But in this video, we are going to discuss 3 steps as to how we can pay the fees less to Binance. The first step is the most easiest one. You can go down to the description below, click the link and sign up on Binance. Now, if you already have an account on Binance, how you can actually do it? The most easiest way is to create another account, right? And how you can do it? You can actually use the same Gmail ID to create multiple email IDs, and using that, you can sign up on Binance using the link below and you can get a discount of up to 20% on your trading fees. Now, how you can actually create multiple Gmail IDs from the one email? Let's take a quick look on that. So here on this article, it clearly mentions that when you have one particular Gmail ID, you just add a plus sign followed by any number of alphanumeric characters, right? For example, let's say if I have an email, let's say soham@gmail.com, right? And if I want to create multiple email accounts on the same Gmail account, what I would need to do is I would need to create another Gmail account, calling it Soham plus crypto1@gmail.com, and all the emails of this corresponding account will also come into the same inbox, right? So for your ease, I will link this article in the description below and you can actually create these email accounts. If you have multiple Gmail accounts, then it is absolutely no problem at all. You can use that account and sign up for Binance. The link for it is given in the description below. Mind you, you need to use that link to get this discount. It is absolutely very, very, very important. The next step is basically paying your fees by Binance. Now, if you go to the dashboard section of Binance.com, so once you go to Binance.com, just click on your profile picture and go to your dashboard. On the bottom of the screen, you will get this trading fee level, right? Here, what we can see clearly is if we are using BNB to pay the fees, we will get a 25% discount in the fees. Yes, friends, a 25% discount on the fees. And how you can do it? Very easy. First of all, go to the link given in the description below, sign up for your Binance account, complete your KYC, then buy some BNB. Okay, buy some BNB and then go to your dashboard section and just enable this button right here using BNB deduction, a 25% deduction. Now, as you can see, the maker fees is 0.1% and the taker fees is 0.1%. In total, they are charging 0.2% as I discussed earlier. Now, if I just click this on, here I will be able to see 0.075 in maker and 0.075 in taker. That means a 25% reduction in the fees that I am paying to Binance. Now this is on spot trading. If you are using it on futures, you will get a discount of 10% as well, right? On futures, the fees is at 0.02% on maker and 0.04%. In total, it is 0.06%. So there are multiple benefits that you can use it. So again, it is important that you use the link given in the description below to sign up for Binance and also use this trick to save on your fees. The third way on how you can save on fees on Binance is by increasing your VIP level. Now, as you can see, by default, everyone is a VIP 0, right? That means the 30-day trade volume is less than 1 million USD, or we are holding, 0 BNB or something of that sort. And by paying through BNB tokens, we are getting 0.075. So that means 0.15% is the fees that we are paying on VIP 0. But if your transaction levels are higher than 1 million USD, and you are holding more than 25 BNB, your total fees will again come down by another 0.1%. Yes guys, you can actually pay 0.0675% on your trading fees, right? Similarly, as you increase your trade volume, the lesser will be the fees that you would need to pay to Binance. Now this could be for experienced guys, for big traders like who have a portfolio of more than $1 million. But for smaller traders like you and me, we can always refer to the link in the description below to get up to 20% discount. And also on top of it, I can again get a 25% discount on the fees by paying Binance. So in total, you can actually get a discount of 35% by signing up using the link in the description below. So guys, if you like this kind of content, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon. So don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who are starting with their crypto journey, because this is a good hack for all crypto enthusiasts and crypto beginners, and this way you will be able to save a lot of money on your trade. So thank you so much for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourselves. Bye bye for now.